Hello friends, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today we will be learning alphabets from A to Z. A, 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 A. This is the letter A. B, 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 B. This is the letter B. C, 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 C. This is the letter C. D, 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 D. This is the letter D. E, 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 E. This is the letter E. F, 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 F. This is the letter F. G, 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 G. This is the letter G. H, 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 H. This is the letter H. I, I, I. This is the letter I. J, 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 J. This is the letter J. K, 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 K. This is the letter K. L, 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 L. This is the letter L. M. This is the letter M. N. This is the letter N. O. This is the letter O. P. This is the letter P. Q. This is the letter Q. R. This is the letter R. S. This is the letter S. T. This is the letter T. U. This is the letter U. V. This is the letter V. W. This is the letter W. X. This is the letter X. Y. This is the letter Y. Z. This is the letter Z.